The financial benefits of going solar are now well documented. Residential solar panel systems actually function as investments with strong rates of return, and homeowners generating solar electricity can avoid paying increased utility rates by eliminating their electricity bills. According to a report by the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, installing solar panels on your home will also increase your property value. If you're researching solar panels for your home, there are plenty of metrics that can help you make a decision about which solar option is best for you, but studies show most solar shoppers rely on one metric in particular: the Solar ROI, which is also known as return of investment. The Solar ROI is the payback period calculation that estimates how long it would take for you to break even on your solar energy investment. Increased utility electricity rates and lower equipment costs are making it easier for homeowners to own, rather than lease, their solar panel systems. Comparing the payback period from various solar installers is an easy way to comprehend the financial merits of each option and identify when your solar panel investment will start to earn you money. There are 4 factors that determine the amount of time needed to turn your panels into profit. 1, the cost of the system. 2, value of financial incentives, such as the ITC. 3, average monthly electricity usage. And 4, estimated electricity generation. With this information, you can determine your combined costs, compare them with your benefits, and see how much you can save every year. Data shows that homeowners that purchase solar panel systems through Sun Energy California end up with a shorter payback period than the national average. In 2020, homeowners that went solar with us can achieve payback on their solar investment in about 6 to 8 years. Combined with the guaranteed lifespan of 25 years, that means you can get up to 17 years of energy profit from your solar panels if you installed this year. So, what are you waiting for? Call us today at 760-545-8466 or visit us at sunenergyca.com to go solar, stop paying, and start saving. Now, don't forget to like us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We offer lots of great information, giveaways, and other perks. Hope to see you soon.